we will start with the screws behind of the handbrake. We have two screws here with a little plastic cover, 1 and 2. After this we have two more screws at the gear shift, 1 and 2. Now down and behind of the ashtray, one screw over there, and this is the first part of plastic. When you remove this part, you will see and the other screws behind of the ashtray over there, and one more there. Now inside of the air channels we have two more screws over there. One and one more to the right side. After this you must remove the radio CD and the panel with the switches for the heater and the air condition. Very carefully. Now, and the other switches, the other screws, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After this you can remove all the dashboard. You must pull it out, but with carefully, very carefully, especially in this part with the switches. Is very fragile. It's good to remove, to pull out, to start to pull out from this side. Well, that's it. I hope to help you. Good luck with this.